Hi everyone, I'm Tea with Ty, and I'm sitting here at the Bethlehem Public Library with Amresse. Amresse, what is the tea? What is happening?
Oh my goodness. So here at the library, we are doing some really exciting things. One, our bookmobile. Do you know our bookmobile?
No, tell me about it.
Our bookmobile is like this amazing, cool vehicle that drives all over Bethlehem and the surrounding areas like Fountain Hill, Bethlehem Township, and just delivers books. It's accessibility, it's beautiful, and it delivers education all over our community. And after many decades, it retired and delivered its last book. So that's like kind of the big T. Bookmobile has been laid to retirement home, and now it's time for us to get a bigger, better, badder, bookie monster bookmobile. So we need our community support. We need corporate support and sponsorship. We need like $1, $5, and just awareness. We have to get a bookmobile back out there to community.
Absolutely.
It drives around 6 days a week, all day long.
Oh, wow.
So amazing spot for sponsorship because it's like a few dollars to have your name on the side of a bus that's going to be driving around Bethlehem for the next couple of decades, and it supports education, accessibility, children, family, and youth. So that's really amazing. And so we deliver like 2,000 books. We'd like to add in more Spanish-speaking materials, more games, more video games, more DVDs, and more puzzles, and maybe some magazines too, and maybe add some more community events instead of just showing up to houses and regular communities, maybe showing up to more of those community events. So if the community wants to see the bookmobile, tag us on social media, send me a DM, because we would love to innovate what that bookmobile schedule looks like.
How do you get those books? Do people donate them? Do you purchase them? How does that work?
Yeah, so our catalog, our whole inventory here of all of the amazing resources that you will see here is ordered in bulk, and then we have our ILL, so our interlibrary loan. So if we communicate with all the other libraries and you call us up and you want the new Twilight book and we don't have it, we can call our friends up at Allentown and they'll bring it over like tomorrow, and you can show up tomorrow and it will be here. So all of the books that are in our bookmobile are going to be the brand new books that are just being put out on our shelves. And then our book sale room is previously owned donation books.
Thank you so much,
Amresse.
I really appreciate you spilling the tea. Thank you all for joining in here at the Bethlehem Public Library. We'll talk to you later. Bye.